So today it's raining all day. Right now it's 9:30. Since morning it's been raining. Right now I'm going to bazaar. So it's been raining since morning and the rain hasn't stopped yet, and there is no current and plus no battery. Right now I'm going to bazaar with my mom. Oh shit, it's lightning, bro. ये बाहर का नज़ारा देख सकते हैं आप लोग, ना पीसफुल है. So it's our next day actually. Yesterday I couldn't make a video because there was no current and my phone's battery was low. This is why I couldn't make a video yesterday, and it rained whole day yesterday. This is why there was no current. And yesterday we made this. You might be thinking, what is this? It's a temporary house for pig. Let me show you. Right now I'm feeling hungry. This is why I'm going to the shop to buy some Maggi. So let's go. Right now I'm back home. I just went to the shop and came back home. I'm feeling shy to go outside, man, because I just withdrawn from my college and now I just have to drop out for 1 year because I didn't get admission here in this university. Damn, bro. No problem. Everything happens for a reason. Right now just the shopkeeper is like my grandfather. He asked me, did you get admission in this new university? And I said no. Then he was upset for me. He said, I just don't want to talk about it. Let it be more. My Maggi is ready and let's eat. This is my Maggi. Let's have it फटाफट. हम नहा चुका है और अभी तो इतना धूप आ रहा है, लोग देख सकते हैं. तो अभी हम दुकान जाने वाला है. दुकान मतलब साइबर में वो थोड़ा पैसा डिपॉजिट करना है, क्योंकि मेरा बहन को बेचना है ना वो पैसा, तो इसलिए अभी साइबर जाने वाला है. तो वीडियो को भी यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अगर आप लोग को मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो. सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय.